Jai Hind, dear children. This is Mizan ma'am, your computer teacher. Children, today we will be doing chapter 4, keyboard special keys. Okay, for that I need to show you the PDF of the chapter so that you can understand. See, this is the chapter 4, keyboard special keys. Now, what will you learn in this chapter? That is very important. You will learn alphabet keys, numeric keys, special keys, punctuation keys, and combination keys. There are many types of keys available on the keyboard. So, let's start. Children, a keyboard is an important part of a computer. It has many keys on it. And these keys are used to type letters, words, numbers, so many things. You know, keyboard is an input device. Okay, we input our data with the help of a keyboard. Fine. It is a primary device to enter the text. If you want to enter the text, you need to have a keyboard. It has keys for specific functions. Right. Let me show you. I have prepared a slide for you where we can understand what is there in the chapter. See, this is chapter 4, keyboard. Now children, there are many keys. We will learn all these keys today in detail. First, let me tell you. First, see, these are all the keys. Okay, this is a standard keyboard, right? Let me show you slide number 2. Now children, types of keys. There are many keys as I have told you. Now, how many types of keys are there? A standard keyboard has 104 keys on it. Okay. Now, what are the types of keys? Alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, punctuation keys, and combination keys. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 types you can see. These types of keys are there on your keyboard. Right. Now let's move and let me show you. Okay. See children. As I told you, alphabet keys. Can you see all these letters? Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. And then this second row and the third row. There are 3 rows. Okay. So these are alphabet because alphabets are written. When you press it, only alphabets will come on the screen. So these are known as the alphabet keys. And here on the top, you can see numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from 0 to 9, 1 to 0, and numbers are this side also 0 to 9. So these are known as numeric keys. Okay, now children, one thing which comes to my mind, that why these keys are there in not in a proper order like A, B, C, D. Why it is Q, W, E, R, T, Y? Okay, so let me tell you, this Q, W, E, R, T, Y is a type of keyboard, okay, which was designed in year 1868 by Christopher Sholes. Christopher Sholes was an American innovator and scientist, also inventor also you can say. He has only invented this keyboard. Actually, what happened, there is a myth, we have heard that he arranged these keys in randomly. It is not in alphabetical order like ABCD, so that to stop the keyboard jam, he thought that if all the keys will be in a sequence ABCD, people will start typing very fast and the keyboard may have a jam, may have damage. So he has arranged these keys in a random order. And now this QWERTY keyboard is very famous around the world. Everyone uses this keyboard. Okay. Now this was developed by IT engineers and psychologists also, and this is wonderful. We all use this only. There is some psychology also behind this, that why we need QWERTY keyboard. Okay. Now children, one thing I want to tell you. Let me move to the next slide. Okay. There are many keys, as I have told you that there are many types of keys. Okay, let us go to the PDF. See, now alphabet keys. What are alphabet keys? Can you see on the screen? My mouse pointer is showing this QWERTY. Alphabet keys have letters from A to Z, and we know that from A to Z it is total 26 letters, but they are not arranged in an alphabetical order. As I told you just now, these are 26 in number alphabet keys on a keyboard. We can type letters, words, sentences, anything with the help of an alphabet keys, right? See, you can type your name, okay, and you can type your father's name, your school's name, your mother's name, whatever you want to type, you can type easily with the help of this keyboard, right? With the help of this keys. Now, we move to the number keys. Now, children, as I have told you about the number keys, that on the top of this QWERTY system, this you can see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the numbers available here. Okay, let me show you the numbers arrangement. See, I have there a keyboard for you people to show you. See, Q, W, E, R, T, Y, all the letters are given. Above that, you can see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. So we call it from 0 to 9, we have numeric keys. And it is available this right side also, but this is not a standard keyboard, that is why it is not showing. In your book, the keyboard which is there, which is printed, that is a standard keyboard. Okay, now, these are the keys. Now, children, alphabet keys have letters from A to Z. Okay. Number keys. Number keys have numbers on them. You must have seen that these are the numbers. The keys are 10 in number. Total 10. If you will count from 1 to 0, it will be 10 total. That is from 0 to 9. Number keys are present above the alphabet keys and are placed in order. See, the way alphabet keys are there, it is not in order. It is randomly kept as per some formula or some method at the back. But the the number keys are not arranged that way. It is arranged in a proper way, like 1, then 2, then 3 and 4 and 5 and so on. Okay. Now, number keys are present above the alphabet keys and are placed in order. We can type our name, you can type your, sorry, you can type your age, your roll number, your house number, anything you can type using these number keys, right? The number keys are also present on the right side, as I have told you. This side you can see. This is called the numeric keyboard. All the number keys are there, and this is called the numeric keyboard. This is alphabetical. These are the alphabets, and this one is the numeric keyboard. Okay, you can type your roll number, your mobile number, anything using these. Now, children, we will be talking about the special keys. Okay, for that I need to show you a slide. That I will show you a slide about special keys. What are special keys? There are many keys on the keyboard which are very important. Without that, you cannot perform a particular task. Because, see, what are those special keys? First, we will come to know the names and then we will know the work of those keys. Space bar key. Space bar is a big bar type key. See, it looks like a chocolate bar. It's a big key, the longest key on the keyboard. This is known as the space bar. I will tell you in short, then we will move to the full explanation. The space bar is used to give space between the words. Can you see special and keys? In between these two words, I have given a space because I have pressed this space bar key, and that is why this space has come. Otherwise, it would have been difficult for you to read it. Fine. So this is a space bar key. This is a special key. Okay, now caps lock key. Caps lock key is also a special key. You will find it at the left corner in the center of the left, and there you can use the caps lock key. We use caps lock key to type the letters in capital form. Can you see these letters are all in capital because I have pressed the caps lock key. It was on and that is why it is coming. Now, arrow keys. Arrow keys helps us to move us up, down, left and right. There are 4 arrow keys to go 4 sides. I will show you on the keyboard also. Now, the backspace key. Backspace key erases to the right. Okay, this helps you if you have typed anything wrong, you want to erase, it will erase from the right. Sorry, to the right. And the delete key will erase to the left. Delete key also erases and backspace key also erases. Okay, now children, let me show you the keyboard. See, we were talking about the different keys. Number one, as I said, space bar. Can you see this longest key, which is looking white in color as I am putting my mouse pointer? This longest key is known as the space bar key. Okay, and now, what is next? Caps lock key. See this. This white colored key is known as the caps lock key. Okay, it is just below the tab key and above the shift key. Now children, as we switch on the caps lock key, you will see on your keyboard that there is a light on the right side on the top, and that will be on. If that light is on, it means caps lock key is on. If that light is off, it means caps lock key is off. So I will press, okay, caps lock key. See, can you hear the sound? Click, and see, now it is coming in blue color. Now as I am clicking, it is giving the sound of click, and it is selecting also. This is, and the next key is after the caps lock key. What do we have? We have arrow keys. Okay, so let me show you arrow keys. See, up, down, left and right. In a proper standard keyboard, you will see it this side. But as I told you, this is just for the use of the laptop. It was inbuilt, so it is showing like this. Four keys are there: up, down, left and right. This is how you can use this arrow key. If you want to go up, you will press up. If you want to come down, you will press down. If you want to go left, you will press left. And then if you want to go right, you will press right. So these are the arrow keys. Now what is next? We have backspace key. I'll show you backspace key. Children, this one is the backspace key where you can see this cross icon. This is backspace key, and it is very useful if you have typed something wrong, you want to erase. You can, as many times you will click the backspace key, that many letters will be deleted from the right hand side to the left. Okay, now I will show you there also. This is backspace key. See, can you hear the sound? And the delete key, as I told you, delete key is also, this is delete key. Delete key, it will also help you in deleting. Okay, the one more very important key, that is enter key. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. See, one is here and the other one is here. Two enter keys are there on the keyboard. So if we want to go to the next line, if we want to jump to the next line, we have to press the enter key. I will show you how while typing also. Okay, now children, these are the keys, as I have told you about special key. I have told you about the enter key, the arrow keys, and the delete key. Okay, now let me show you how it comes when you type. Okay, see children, this is my Microsoft Word page, and I will enable my keyboard and I will show you how we type. See, I have switched on the caps lock key and see the letters are all coming in small letters. Whatever you will press, first this cursor should come. This is cursor, and this is known as blinking line. This is very important. If there is no cursor, there will be no typing. Fine, so the cursor is there. I have clicked with the help of mouse. Now I will be clicking on the letters. See, whatever letters I am clicking, that same is coming on your screen. Okay, so this is how it is coming. But now this is randomly I have typed anything, so I will erase. And for erasing, as I told you, we need to go to space key. Clicking, and it is erasing from right side towards left. Okay, clear? Now children, I want to type the letters in capital letter, so I will switch on the caps lock. See, this is on. If there would have been light, you would have seen, but it is not here. But you will see on your keyboard, if you have, that there is a light on the right side on the top, and that will be on as your caps lock key will be on. Now I will type my name. See, this is my name. Fine. So now what I have done, what I have done, I want to go back. See, I have erased all. So again I will type M-I. Okay. Now children, I want to go to next line. As I told you, there is a special key which helps us to go to the next line. What is that key which helps us to go to the next line? And that is enter key. So I will click the enter key and see the cursor has come down. Now I will be using what I will use. I will use this numeric key to type my house number. Okay, that is 5. This is my house number. Okay. Now children, again I will press enter key and I will type a mobile number randomly. That is not fine. Just I am typing to tell you. Anything you can type, mobile number or account number or whatever, with the help of alphanumeric keys. So I hope it was very clear to you how to use backspace, how to use enter key, how to use delete key to delete all, how to use caps lock key, and how to use space bar. I will tell you. See this number I have written. Now I will press space bar. See this cursor has moved, and now I will type my house number, a slash 36. So this is how you can give a space using the space bar key. So children, these were all the special keys. Now one more part is left. We will be meeting soon in the next video with the left of the second part. Hope you all are clear about the concept that these are the special keys: space bar, caps lock, arrow keys, backspace and delete keys. Okay. So children, we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind.